Up and away. We can check the CG.
Nope. Oh man.
Big baby. Danger himself. TJ.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, man?
Hey, you know, I picked up something from one good pilot, Dan. He was getting rid of his B-25. I said, you know what? It's a plane I wanted. So I got it from him.
Thing's big, man.
It's huge. It's huge.
Is that the flight line?
This is the flight line.
Nice.
And he upgraded the motors on there so it has a little bit more power. And it has the bomb bays. I put the bombs in it, so hopefully on this run, I time it.
You're gonna do your first bombing run.
My first bombing run. Listen, you gotta do everything first time up. You never know if you're gonna get another shot at it.
So what size battery are you flying?
A 4,000.
What
HRB.
What's the wingspan on that bad boy?
And
It's big.
It's big. Yeah, it's big. Hey, I don't get into numbers. I just fly, guys. But this is the biggest bird to date that I've owned. So it's a big bird. Got to be like 1,700.
You ready for it?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You going left or right?
Yeah, why not?
I don't think you're gonna need all that runway, but
I hope not.
Man.
And I think it should get on up.
Well, hello there, boys.
what's up, Mr.
How we doing?
Bobby.
Hey, look, I'm out here to support TJ in his endeavors on maiden flight.
Let me take off these sunglasses. I'm not gonna be able to see it.
No stress.
All right. Y'all ready?
You got your timer set, TJ?
5 minutes. I mean, it's a 4,000.
Okay.
It should cruise around.
All right.
No flaps. I should probably put some flaps, but I don't fly with flaps. Let's just go.
Up and away. We can check the CG.
Nope. Oh, man.
Big baby.
That thing was so smooth, it didn't make good sense.
Wow.
All right, well now you need to just go ahead and do your bombing run.
Yep. Oh, CG is locked. That's hands off. All right, now can I find my switch for my bombs away?
That thing's just putting.
Yep, let's see. Can I find the switch? Let's slow it down.
Oh, you gonna do bombing run first? Get up.
Yep.
It's got a bomb bag.
Oh, I missed the switch.
There it is. The bombs came out. There they go.
I
Nice.
finding that switch. You're not used to hitting other switches when you're flying.
We need some army men.
I got
Paratroopers.
some paratroopers I
Yeah.
can drop out of there. Man, this thing is just, I got it at half throttle probably. It's just cruising.
It's nice and smooth in the sticks and everything.
I mean, it has a lot of power. I'm at half throttle. Watch how it come through here.
Man, that's smooth.
I'm in love. All right, this time when I come back through, I'm gonna give it full crank to see what it can do. Tree topper. Oh, wing flex. All right.
Very nice. Oh, wow. You're not slow.
No.
Bet she doing 80.
Probably. And you know we have the means to find out.
Go get it, Bobby. Go get it.
Oh, right now?
Right now. He's got one more pass in him.
Oh yeah, I got plenty of pads. This is a
Hey.
fight plane.
All right.
Let me go up high.
All right, Bobby. Come on out here, TJ. So you can see where you're flying.
I'm gonna bring it right down to you. I'm gonna bring it straight to me.
He said you're gonna bring it straight to him.
You ready?
All right. RC plane reviewer with the radar gun.
All right. Let me zoom into the airplane.
Here we come.
Hey, this is nice, me not having the video and hold the radar
I know,
gun.
right? All right, let's see how fast this thing's doing. 72 miles an hour, nice.
Oh, let me see.
Jeez, check that out.
Nice. That's all you got, TJ?
That's it.
Thought you was coming straight over us.
I
Going
did
away
come
from
straight
us.
over. You want more time?
One more time.
All right. I'll bring it right over my head. Jeff want a close up.
He does, doesn't he?
Did I close the bomb bay?
Looks like it.
All right.
But now you got to pick up all your trash off the field.
I know.
What was that, just rocks? All
Foam.
right. All right, coming in for a speed run. Got the radar gun right there. 73.
Oh, got one more mile an hour more.
So there you go.
Good job, TJ.
All right, let's bring it in for a smooth
Excellent.
landing.
See if you can butter that landing, cuz.
Yep. Man, I like this thing.
Dude, I could see the value of it, like, you know, having it. It's
Whoop.
nice and easy.
Lost
Yeah.
you, there you go.
All right, slow down.
Dang it.
All right, here we go. In for a landing. Wow.
Nice.
That's nice, man. Nice. Very good.
Bravo, sir. Hey, congratulations on your first true warbird.
That
Yeah,
was a real
that was nice.
Landing. That
I'll
was
be honest
nice.
with you. I thought you was gonna crash it. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I never
I'm
doubted
kidding.
you. I never
Especially after
doubted
the
you.
setup and we had the left aileron.
The twitchy
twitching over
aileron,
there.
yeah.
Hey, but that was nice. I like
Hey, look,
this.
you got a good spread pattern of all the trash. I mean,
Yeah.
the bombs in the field. You know, they
TJ,
go.
who makes that? What's the brand on that one?
I want to say it's Flightline. Oh no,
LX models.
LX.
That's what it is.
Okay.
LX models.
Yep.
Yeah, they
See, I set them up
used to be
earlier.
carried by Banana Hobby. So cool.
Yep.
I set them up earlier. I said, "Is that the flight line?" He said, "Yeah, that's the flight line."
Oh, you got him. You got him. You got him.
Here's the difference though, Bobby. The motors, both of them were upgraded to the Flightline T Tiger Cat.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay. So it has a
upgraded
lot of power.
It has a lot
Yep.
of power.
Hey,
That's why
TJ.
it's so smooth.
TJ,
Yep.
congratulations, man.
Hey man, this
That
is
was good.
nice. I'm gonna bring this more often. Only thing, I need a camper on my truck. Anybody want to donate a camper?
Man, I've been telling you, once you go camper, you don't go back.
That's true. Good job, man.